Hello, I'm Bennett Grace Tenesio, and we are here in the ancestral domain of the Bagobo Tagabawa tribe, which Peace Builders community is journeying with. And I've been with Peace Builders community for almost more than 15 years. I used to be the director of support operations of Peace Builders, and still I'm the part of or member of the board of trustees. Um, Working with Peace Builders is a journey and a learning journey for me. And I'm so blessed that I've been part of Peace Builders. And thank you for supporting Peace Builders and the Peace Building Ministry. You're a blessing. And my vision in Peace Builders in this coming year 2026 and onwards as the new CEO of Peace Builders um, is with a heart and a passion to continue what we are doing, journeying with the different tribes here in the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and also partnering with the different churches here in the Philippines. We we experience different situations and circumstances along the way, but praise God that we have companions and supporters like you, prayer ministries, and financial supporters, especially to pursue the peace building ministries here in the Philippines. So, thank you so much for your love, your concern, your passion to help the Philippines through your support, your prayer support, and um, I pray that you will continue to journey with us and pursue the peace that the Philippines needs. So thank you so much